Hello everyone, welcome to class. Now, everyone think of five items that can be found in these places. Look at the picture. Picture number one, countryside. In the countryside, we can find farmlands, animals, trees, rivers, and roads. Picture number two, park. And what you can see in the park. In the park, we can find people, blah blah blah. Think and give me your answer, please. Picture number three, fast food restaurant. In the fast food restaurant, we can find. Now, think and give me your answer, please. And picture number four, school. In the school, we can find. Think and give me your answer, please. We can find picture, range, blah blah blah. Give me your answer. Now, countryside, park, fast food restaurant, and school. What are your favorite places? And where do you spend most of your time? Think and give me your answer. Today we study Unit 1, My Time. Lesson 1, Vocabulary. Where and how to spend one time. Before we study new lesson, I want to give you some new vocabularies to help you understand the lesson easier. Now, some new words. Now look at the picture and guess the meanings of the new words, please. Fast food restaurant. Fast food restaurant. What does it mean? Nhà hàng, thức ăn nhanh. Picture number two. Wow, beautiful picture. There are lots of people, a lot of trees, a lot of flowers. Playground. The playground. What does it mean? Sân chơi. And the next picture. In the picture, we can see some animals, some houses, mountain, trees, etc. Countryside. The countryside is opposite the city. The countryside, what does it mean? Miền quê, nông thôn. Number four, research. Research is mean a careful study of a subject. It means sự nghiên cứu. Number five, journey. Journey. Journey means the art of traveling from one place to another. And what does it mean? Cuộc hành trình, chặng đường. Number six, teenager. Teenager is mean a person between the age of 13 and 19. It means thanh thiếu niên. This is a computer, and this is a screen. The screen, what does it mean? Yeah, screen is mean màn hình. Now we move to practice. Activity 1. Match the races in the box with the places. Row number 1 to number 12 in the picture. Listen and check. Now in the box we can see some new words and some races, such as at school, the shop, in bed, in fast food restaurants, in the car, in the countryside, in the park, in the playground, on the bus, on the phone, in front of the television, in your room. Now, number one, number one, in the park. How about number two? Here. Number two, the answer is at the shop. Number three, picture number three. Here. Picture number three, the answer is in the countryside. How about number four? Where is number four? Number four, number four. Here. The answer in the car. Number five here. Number five, the answer number five is in fast food restaurant. Number six, look at number six. Give me your answer. Number six is in bed. Number seven, next number six, next to number six. Number seven, number seven is in your room. How about number eight? Here. Number eight is on the bus. Number nine, in front of television. Number 10 where? Here. Number 10, look at this. The answer is on the phone. Number 11, here. Next to number 10. The answer, number 11 is at school. Number 12, in the playground. Excellent. Move to activity 2. Complete the time of your life. Please which word from exercise 1, then choose the correct option in blue. Sleep. According to some research, a person needs between 5 and 6, 7, 9, 10, 11 hours, blah 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 in the UK. However, a lot of people sleep for just 6.5 hours. Now think and give me your answer. You choose 5 and 6 or 7 and 9 or 10 and 11 and fill in the blank. The answer is in the bed. Number 1, in bed. And we circle 7 and 9. B. Travel. Sao Paulo in Brazil has a large number of cars. Students can spend 5, 20, 40 minutes, blah blah blah, on a 5-kilometer journey to school. Think and give me your answer. You circle 5, 20, or 40. Now the answer number 2 is in the car. And we circle 40. Yeah. How about C? Study. Students in China are blah 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 from 7:30 a.m. until 5 p.m. And in the northern China, some children have classes 5. 6, 7 a week. Before starting the day, students exercise, blah blah blah. In Shanghai, China, students spend 7, 12, 14 hours a week doing homework. That's 2 hours every evening. Now, think the answer number 3 and number 4. And which number do you circle? Give me your answer. This answer number 3 is at school. Students in China at school run 7:30 a.m. until 5 p.m. and in the northern China. Some children have classes. We circle 6, 6 a week. Before starting the day, students exercise. The answer number 4 is in the playground. Excellent, good. In Shanghai, China's students spend we circle 14 hours a week doing homework. That's 2 hours every evening. Now, class excellent. Activity 2. Complete the time quiz with the washroom exercise 1. Then choose the correct option in the blue. We continue D, E, and F. D. Eating. In France, people spend more than 2 hours a day having breakfast, lunch, and dinner. In the USA, people only spend 127 minutes a day eating. Americans spend more time than other people, blah blah blah. Think and fill in the blanks. Number 5. And which number do you circle? Give me your answer. This answer number 5 is in fast food restaurant. And we circle 1767 or 127. The answer is 67. Good, excellent. E. In town, French people like shopping. They spend the most time. Number 6. Give me your answer. Oh, the answer number 6 is at the shop. The French people like shopping. They spend the most time at the shops. The last relaxing. Our Americans spend more time, blah 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 blah, and on their computers. In total, teenagers they spend 50, 100, 150 hours a week in front of screen. Give me your answer number 7. The answer number 7 is in front of the TV. Now, class excellent. Now, we circle 50. We move to activity 3. Listen and answer the question. Now, look at the question. Who last seen friends at the weekends? Emily, Alicia, and Lorraine. And number 2, who go to school by bus? Harry, Lily, or Darius? Now listen and give me your answer.
Unit 1. Vocabulary exercises 4 and 5.
1. Amelia.
What are your favourite places in town?
When I'm with my friends in town, we spend most of our time at the shops. Sometimes we go to fast food restaurants.
2. Elijah.
What about when you're at home? Do you stay in your room a lot?
Yes, I quite like being alone sometimes, so I spend a bit of time in my room, usually when I come home from school.
3. Renee.
Do you stay in bed later at the weekends?
No, I don't spend a lot of time in bed. I go to school on Saturday morning, and on Sunday I don't spend any time in bed. I prefer to get up and do something. See friends, do sport, watch TV, that kind of thing.
4. Harry.
Are you online a lot?
Quite a lot, I suppose, yes. My parents say I spend too much time in front of screens. I use my phone a lot, and then there's my computer. That's for homework, but I play games on it too.
5. Lily.
Do you spend much time on your homework?
No, not much. Maybe 30 minutes a day.
And at the weekend?
I spend more time on my homework at the weekend. Maybe an hour, but I don't spend more than an hour.
6. Darius.
How long does it take to get to school in the morning?
When there's a lot of traffic, I spend about 40 minutes on the bus getting to school. It's a long time.
What do you do on the bus?
I spend all of my time on my phone.
Okay. Give me answer number 1. Who lives in France at the weekends? Amelia, Alicia, or Ronnie? The answer, Ronnie lives in France at the weekend. Our number 2. Who goes to school by bus? Harry, Lily, or Darius? Yeah, the answer is Darius goes to school by bus. Now, excellent. Activity 3. Listen again and complete the key phrases. We have 8 sentences. Now listen carefully and fill in the blank. Now let's begin.
Unit 1. Vocabulary exercises 4 and 5.
1. Amelia.
What are your favourite places in town?
When I'm with my friends in town, we spend most of our time at the shops. Sometimes we go to fast food restaurants.
2. Elijah.
What about when you're at home? Do you stay in your room a lot?
Yes, I quite like being alone sometimes, so I spend a bit of time in my room, usually when I come home from school.
3. Renee.
Do you stay in bed later at the weekends?
No, I don't spend a lot of time in bed. I go to school on Saturday morning, and on Sunday I don't spend any time in bed. I prefer to get up and do something. See friends, do sport, watch TV, that kind of thing.
4. Harry.
Are you online a lot?
Quite a lot, I suppose, yes. My parents say I spend too much time in front of screens. I use my phone a lot, and then there's my computer. That's for homework, but I play games on it too.
5. Lily.
Do you spend much time on your homework?
No, not much. Maybe 30 minutes a day.
And at the weekend?
I spend more time on my homework at the weekend. Maybe an hour, but I don't spend more than an hour.
6. Darius.
How long does it take to get to school in the morning?
When there's a lot of traffic, I spend about 40 minutes on the bus getting to school. It's a long time.
What do you do on the bus?
I spend all of my time on my phone.
Now you give me your answer. Number 1. I spend all of my time on my phone. Okay. How about number 2? I spend too much time in front of screens. And number 3, we spend most of our time at the shop. Number 4, I spend a bit of time in my room. How about number 5? I don't spend a lot of time in bed. Number 6, do you spend much time on your homework? And number 7, I don't spend more than an hour. And the last, number 8, I don't spend any time. The answer in bed. Now, excellent. Good job. Activity 4. Ask and answer the question about your time. Use the key phrases in activity 3. Use some rhyme structure to talk about how you spend your time. Love, like, hate, don't mind, being. Example, I love being in bed. I don't mind being on the bus. And try to remember some phrases. For example, in bed, in the playground, at home, at the shop, at school, in front of the TV, on the bus, alone, online, indoors, outdoors. Remember the preposition. Activity 4. How much time do you spend traveling to school? Think and give me your answer, please. And question number 2. How much time do you spend at school? Question number 3. How much time do you spend in your room? And question number 4. Do you spend much time in front of the TV? For example, the answer question number 1. I don't spend much time traveling to school. Only about 15 minutes. Think and give me your answer. Question number 2, number 3, and number 4. That's all for the lesson today, and I will give you homework. Learn by heart on the new words and do exercise 1 and 2 by 12 on workbook. Prepare lesson 2, reading. Thank you, everybody. Goodbye. See you next time.